Hello everyone! Here we have another 1/6 scale action figure to unbox, and this time we have Toshiro Hitsugaya from the anime Bleach, which is having a comeback soon. And this one comes from the toy line A-Zone under their hybrid action figure series. I have been searching, and it took me a while to stumble upon Toshiro online, and I just couldn't be more happier to finally have him and complete my 1/6 scale action figures of Bleach, which is very rare to find these days. Anyway, without further ado, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and Toshiro's details. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below, and please stay tuned until the end of the video for a little surprise. I really love how they made the haori or the kimono, and of course his zanpakuto. All the details just blends in very well together. I really enjoy it. And here's our little surprise. So there we have our captain of 10th Division or Squad 13 of the Soul Society, Toshiro Hitsugaya, finally together with his lieutenant Rangiku Matsumoto and Ichigo Kurosaki. I really wish they made more 1/6 scale of the other characters as well, especially Rukia and Renji, or Inoue and Chad, because I love all those characters. But I'm very satisfied with these three for now. Very rare. Thank you very much for unboxing with me once again. And if you do like to keep in touch, you could follow me in my Toygram at Stephanies Toys. And please always take care out there, stay safe, and we'll see you in our next video.